My name is Rachel, and for my Affinity Spaces project, my question is, how can technology improve learning in a kindergarten class? The reason I chose this question is because it is something I am interested in. My major is early childhood education, and I want to be a preschool or kindergarten teacher one day. Originally, I was scared of kids and had no interest in them, but once I became a junior in high school and signed up for a random 2-hour class, my love for children changed. In class, I had a teacher who taught us how to be a teacher and what to teach them. We would have kids ages 3 to 5 come to our high school preschool classroom Tuesday through Thursday, and each week 2 students would be able to become the teacher for the week. With about 20 teachers in the class, we were really able to sit down and help with the child individually while working on schoolwork. We created bonds and memories with all the children and got teaching experience. We would create lessons and crafts to go with it, and everything else from playtime to carpet time. I loved this class so much I took it my senior year and ended up being offered with an assured interview with my school district. After researching and finding other videos on YouTube, I discovered that there are so many different types of technologies for all ages. Technologies such as smartboards, laptops, tablets, websites, podcasts, projectors, TV, audiobooks, and apps are just a few different technologies that are starting to be implemented into elementary classrooms. Some people question why we should put technology into classrooms with children that are so young. There are many benefits as to why we should use technology. It prepares students for the future grades, it is effective, it encourages collaboration, and develops digital citizenship skills. It keeps the students more engaged and is more fun and interesting to listen and watch. Implementing technology into classrooms also helps with teachers. It allows more ways for the teacher to accommodate to the student's learning style. It is more helpful when planning lessons and researching things. You can also use email to email parents weekly updates, and there are tons of different ways to have multiple activities. Implementing technology into classrooms is something that I will do once when I have my classroom, and I hope more people will do so also.